Eating brains this Halloween is not recommended because they transmit infectious proteins called prions that cause fatal neurodegenerative diseases by clumping proteins in your brain. Eating human brains can give you Kuru disease, and brains from cows with Frankenstein disease can give you variant Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. But if you must eat a brain this month to complete some weird Halloween ritual, I suggest using my safe breakfast brain recipe. It's a fusion of the Portuguese recipe for eggs and brains, except here the eggs are the brains. Apply cooking oil to your brain production units and evenly distribute it into all of the gyri and sulci. Then crack an egg into each unit. Personally, I like my brains lightly salted and warm, but they are also excellent served cold, so you can add them to your kids' lunchboxes, especially since these brains are a good source of choline, which helps maintain memory and communication between brain cells. This particular brain has a condition called hydrocephalus, where excess cerebrospinal fluid builds up within the cavities of the brain and damages it. But nevertheless, you will have a delicious brain that oozes cerebrospinal fluid when cut through the corpus callosum. What do you think? Would you eat this if you found it in your lunchbox?